Welcome to my channel. My name is Barclay. I heard you want to trade stock. Do you want to trade stocks? Do you want to trade crypto? Oh my God, don't do it. It's a trap. I'm just kidding. Listen, so who would want to day trade in these trial times? These times are our hardest time to trade in right now. If you take a look at the stock market, it's on a downward spiral, meaning it's nowhere between a bull market. It's in a bear market period right now, even though the global recession right now and the trial times we're having, the Fed hike up the interest rate and inflation. You think day trading is going to keep up with inflation? The rate of inflation is so high right now. Take a look. Why would you want to day trade? But hey, if you want to day trade, I got some information for you, okay? So stick around and I will share all I know and hope it's helpful. If it's helpful, please smash the like button. Don't just watch the video, okay? Smash that like button. So therefore, if you want to trade stocks within a day, basically day trading, that's what they call it. If you buy a stock today and sell it back today, you just bought it and you feel like you make a profit. It went up like $1 or $2 and you feel like you gain and you want to sell it today. Yes, that's day trading right there. You have all different types of day trading. You have different day trading styles. Like for scalping, you can enter in low and want to sell high by the end of the day. Day trading time and information you would want to bear in mind. To trade stocks, you have three trading sessions. You have the pre-market, which is from 4 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. That's for pre-market. And from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. that's the regular stock market opening time that anybody can trade during that time. And then you have from 4 p.m. Eastern time to 8 p.m. aftermarket hours. Who trades in those hours? Aftermarket and pre-market. Big companies, people who have a certain amount of money in the stock market trade during those times. And the two type of stock markets are the two main types of stock market is the New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ, which stands for National Association of Securities and Dealers Automated Quotations. What does that mean? In general, it's the online marketplace where you can buy and trade stocks or securities. And it was the first electronic exchange. So in this video, we will be focusing on stocks mainly. Even though I know that people day trade cryptocurrencies. Yes, people do trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, CRO, you name it. You have tons of cryptocurrency out there. People do trade them. Like whenever a cryptocurrency is just being launched, people love to jump on that, go in, put like $100 in and get, if people get in and run it up, like buy, the person who enters first normally makes a profit. But you have to be on it because cryptocurrencies is very volatile and they go up very fast. Yes, and they go down very fast, even faster in my opinion. But we're not going to talk about that today. And you have currencies. You can day trade currencies as well too. You have a platform that just deals with strictly currencies, like all the other countries' currencies, like the euros, the yen, and British pound, US dollar. Yes, you have a market just for that as well. Usually people call it forex trading. So you can day trade as well. And stocks, you trade Monday to Fridays in the time I mentioned earlier. Why would it make sense to day trade? Come close, let me tell you. So you day trade because, in my opinion, you day trade because you don't want to lose too much. But in reality, you can lose a lot of money day trading, because if you're not disciplined, you're going to lose a lot of money. Because to day trade, you have to be disciplined, like really controlling your emotions, because the emotions plays a big part in whether you win or you lose. For people who don't understand it, will say, hey, it's gambling with money. But in my term, I've been through that whole cycle already, so I can tell you, it's not gambling. It's take some special skills to day trade, because you have to be disciplined to know that, hey, you have to take a lose, you have to take a loss, you have to be disciplined to do that. And also knowing when to take your gains and don't get greedy, because what drives the stock market mostly is fear and greed. Because a lot of people lose money because they don't have any patience and they're not willing to take a loss. So most of the time people get greedy and wants to hold on and see a particular stock runs up like triple times their money before they even take their gains. But with day trading, you have to be more disciplined and be like, hey, listen, whether or not I'm making like 3 times my money, I'm gonna take my gains and be relaxed. Versus when you're losing and it's not working out for you, you come right out of that stock or that trade, because guess what? You don't want to lose too much. So that's risking how much you want to lose, and versus being greedy or being patient. So it's kind of funny, but you have to be disciplined. And for the most part, it takes knowledge as well. You have to know how the stock market works. Very much so. So if you want to do it, you can do it. And don't get me wrong when I say you can make a lot of money. Believe me, you can make a lot of money from doing this, but you have to be disciplined. If you're just starting out and you want to know the best route to go up on day trading, you can open a demo account on like the Webull, and you have other paper trading accounts. So you paper trade, but bear in mind, this is not the real thing. So you're going, you might not take it serious, but please take it serious like you're trading your real money. Okay, with this give you an idea of how it really works, because it's going to be like you trading lots of money. It's not real, you know what I mean? But still, it will give you the experience, some of the experience you would need. But there's a very important part that would be missing from the paper trading, and it will be the emotions of trading with real money. Because trust me, when you're trading with your money, your real money, that gives you a different feel, a different kick. There's a lot of stuff happening in your brain, your body, everything. Sometimes you're in a stock, you even want to poop. You don't even want to shit yourself. I'm not gonna lie, because sometimes the stocks go up very fast and they go down very fast as well. How does stocks goes up? Because the more buyers comes in, meaning the price, more people buy at a certain price. When the stocks goes like 11, 12, 13, 14, that means people are buying more when it's going up. See, when the stocks is going down, like 9, 8, 7, 6, and it's going downwards, there's people selling, majority of the people selling. And there is a twist to this, all of this. You have to bear in mind big institutions that do this for a living, meaning they control the market. Believe it or not, they control the market. So you as a small person or a little man trying to day trade, they are way ahead of you. My advice, if you're going to do it, go in, be disciplined, take your gains. If you make a trade and it's losing, cut it short. Take small losses and big gain, period. Okay? So I know if you're an experienced trader, this video might not be helpful for you, but for beginners, please do your research and trade responsible and get discipline. Anyone can become disciplined. You just have to put your mind to it. That's it for this video. In my next video, I will be sharing some more information on trading. But if anything in this video was helpful, please smash the like button and I will see you in the next video. Take care. RJ Barclay signing out. Wow, good.